Let's try this again. I've got Prowler, Doorbell, Galinha, EMP grenades. Now I'm gonna do the Gardens run. And that's good. Watershed would have been even better, but second map seems to be no problem. Third map is where it gets difficult. So I also suck with the Prowler. I really loved it in the beginning, but I haven't used it in ages. Doorbell is really good against these, I don't know, these things. And the very, very small enemies. It actually seems almost better than the Galinha sometimes. But they're both pretty weak weapons against the Corvette. I mean, to be fair, even against the Loyalists, I don't think I really used them that much. Actually, that's not true. With the drill bit, I often used the Galinha, but that was probably just because I had some irrational hatred towards laser weapons, even though I never used them. Ah, damn it. I also really need to get used to the... tank driving. And I didn't take damage there, wow. Those graves are sturdier than they look. Like, if you go through them, you get slowed down quite a bit. Even with the boost. Yeah, Artigun's pretty much untouchable with his loadout. Don't even bother with them. So weird suddenly having to worry about these small obstacles on the map. With a Pompadour, all of that is just... it's just ground. You just hover over it. No problem. With these tanks, any other vehicle generally that's not an A-Grav, they actually become quite the hindrance. I don't see why you would ever use anything but A-Gravs. Anything but the Pompadour, in fact. It's just the best vehicle, really. I mean, I guess the problem with the Pompadour is that it is pretty fragile. The Corvette, like some of the mechs of the Corvette, I think can kill it in one stomp. Unless it has like maximum shield or something. Let's do the Watershed next, because that map can be pretty rough. Because it's really easy to get swarmed because it's so small. Well, that didn't do anything. I mean, while I lured the dude here, that's totally what I wanted to do. If you do a really careful approach, I reckon you could probably do a lot. Oh wow, I actually heard that. Probably do even better than I'm doing. Kinda reckless. Oh god damn it. I really suck with tanks. Can't believe there's gonna be new vehicles really soon, too. Not even good with the current ones yet. Oh god, I hate aiming at max. This map wasn't even supposed to be difficult yet. It's really the third one. Last time I tried this, I got through the second one without taking damage. I'm just really not used to having to actually carefully observe my surroundings to make sure I don't get caught in things. Oh god. And the fact that I can't really circle strafe doesn't help either. I mean, I kinda can do this, but it... Oh right, I have my EMP grenades, I totally forgot. Oh, this thing turns so slowly. I mean, partly due to the fact that my frame rate is kinda shit. But okay, man, nearly done. We just need to get out of here. So we can face even more dangerous enemies. Whew. I'll be surprised if I even survive this one. I mean, the good thing is this is a relatively easy map, normally. Because it's pretty large. So the enemy density is relatively low. You get lots of single enemies or little groups. And you don't end up getting swarmed just because you know, fired your weapon once. Gonna take it real slow. Oh god. Can still not get that timing right. Ideally, you wanna come around the corner the exact moment the MP hits. So they can't shoot at you before they're stunned, and you get the maximum time to damage them while they're stunned. But I usually screw it up and expose myself before that. Ah, you had me. Oh, God. Wait, I didn't actually... Oh. Thought I threw my EMP. I didn't, though. Ooh, got really lucky that he didn't stomp me then. Captains might not be a bad idea. Nah, damn it, he's on the other side. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I wonder, does the speed boost actually make you deal more damage? Okay, this is gonna be fun. Oh god. No, kamikaze from behind. Where'd the captain go? Am I just really, really close to him? Did he move to the other side while I was... One, two... Yeah. Well, okay. Whew. Oh, that's probably him. Okay, let's lure him over here. Don't wanna have to deal with a lot of people at the same time. Shield truck. Not bad either. So I can kind of use this. Oh god. Kind of use these husks as cover. Oh, that's just more and more. Don't want to be too close to other units when I kill them though, because they'll just attract even more. Come on, make your way over here. Think that's far enough. Are you kidding me? Ah, this is just... I mean, if I can kill them all one by one, that's okay too, I guess. Okay, finally clear. Oh god, they're really, really close there. Okay. That's a really weird AI behavior. Where they actually stomp the place where they last saw you. Or where they hurt you if you fire a weapon. Okay, we just need to get the other one. He's probably closed by some other dudes now. Oh god, this one's gonna be annoying, because it's gonna hear me. But it's gonna be all the way on the other side of this wall, so it's gonna take ages for it to get to me. And then it's gonna surprise me at a moment where it's really, really inconvenient. Okay, doesn't look like it... What? Oh, it hurt me probably. Well, I mean, I can get it out of the way now. Oh god. Okay. Where do they all keep coming from? Seriously? Oh, was that the... Oh, that was the call help, wasn't it? Well, luckily it just drew the spotter. But yeah, enemy units will call for help. I always thought it was only when they see you, but I guess it's also when they get hit. Either that or the Galinha is weirdly loud. Which will basically just alert units near them to your presence. Okay, but now... Oh. Okay, I don't want to have them too far down there, because I have no idea what is down there, and there might be enemies. I'm fine with him being over there, though. Only two more. One I think is still pretty close by, right? Ah yeah, up there somewhere. Okay. Oh god. Are you kidding me? Where did those dudes come from? Those just came out of nowhere. Come on. Okay. We just need to get out of here, and then we need to do this one more time with even more difficult units. Though I think the amount of captains is not gonna increase. I'm not quite sure. I mean, if it works like the old loyalist spawn list, then there's always some amount of randomness involved. I'm not sure though whether the... No, yeah, I think captains could also be optional spawns. Actually, yeah, I think there can be up to 10 captains with a Corvette, right? Or even 12? I'm not sure, I don't remember. But I actually think there can be more than 8. It's not gonna be fun. But with patience, I figure it should be possible. Just need to always carefully draw the enemies away. I don't remember which spaceport is this gonna be. Because might be pretty difficult if it's the one I think it actually is. Didn't think this one through. All the other maps are fine in this run, but the spaceport I think is pretty tough. It's pretty hard to... Yeah, it's this one. Oh god, I'm doomed. Like there's... It's very open. Okay. Very open in the beginning. Only 7 captains, that's good. Yeah, it's very open here, which is not good, because obviously the enemies can see you relatively easily, even if you stay far back. Okay. So again, I need to be really, really careful how I approach this. I need to draw the enemies out, try to separate them as much as I can. And an alarm is seriously the last thing I want to happen. Oh god, I will go into the wall. No way. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, 3 out of 7 already dead. And I think... cleared this first area. That was really close. I was really lucky there was a shield truck there that I could... could use to survive that. But now, my shield is really, really low. And the problem is, I can't really stall too much, because every second I don't do anything, you know, I just waste shield away. I also really need to watch out for those damn kamikazes. Okay, I think I got one of the captains drawn to me now. Oh god, no, I got everyone but the captain. Which is not good. These little huts. They don't really provide any cover, except for the enemies. Oh shit. Ah, maybe I shouldn't have turned around there. Ah! What the hell attracted all of them so suddenly? God damn. But I think this is possible.